In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Namecheap to HostGator. Transferring a domain might sound complex, but by following this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to do it with ease. First things first, you'll need to log into your Namecheap account. If you don't already have your login credentials on hand, take a moment to gather those before proceeding. Once logged in, locate the specific domain that you want to transfer. It's important to note that domains are usually locked by default to prevent unauthorized transfers, so you'll need to unlock it. This step ensures your domain is ready to be moved. As part of this process, you will also need to obtain the EPP code, also known as the authorization code. Think of this code as a kind of password that you'll need for the transfer. It ensures that only those with permission can transfer the domain. Now that you've unlocked your domain and secured the EPP code, head over to your HostGator billing portal and log in. Once inside, navigate to the domain transfer section. This is where the fun begins. Enter the domain name you wish to transfer. As you do this, a prompt will appear asking for your EPP code. Go ahead and carefully enter the code you retrieved from Namecheap. Up next, you'll need to confirm the transfer. During this stage, keep in mind that there might be applicable fees which you'll need to pay. It's always a good idea to check HostGator's domain transfer pricing beforehand so there are no surprises. After you've confirmed the transfer and taken care of any fees, it's important to stay alert for a confirmation email from Namecheap. This email is crucial as it contains a link that you must click to approve the transfer. Without this approval, the transfer won't proceed. Once you've clicked that approval link, it's time to play the waiting game. Typically, the domain transfer process can take up to 7 days, so a bit of patience is required here. During this waiting period, it's perfectly normal for the progress to seem slow, but rest assured, it will eventually go through. Finally, once your domain has been successfully transferred, log into HostGator's control panel to manage your domain. From here, you can make any necessary changes and manage your domain settings comfortably, all from your new host. And there you have it. Transferring your domain from Namecheap to HostGator is a straightforward process when broken down into these manageable steps. Thanks for tuning into this guide and happy transferring.